Hey everybody, Owner the Droner here for you. Looking out for all things drones. You know those things we can't live without. The one thing that bugs me is those landing pads. Are you tired of those flimsy fold-away drone landing pads? Do you have a hard time folding it up? Does it fly away when the wind kicks up? Does it look just like everybody else's? Don't you want to stand out in the crowd? Well, do we have a landing pad for you, and it's just $19.95 plus shipping. Whether you're a professional drone flyer or you just like crashing into them trees, this landing pad has your name on it. It's cut on a bevel so it works on hills. Hill too steep or the ground too flat? Well, it comes with 3 adjustable levelers. And it's all made of 100% natural organic materials. No plastics here. And it's biodegradable. Let's say if you're a hiker and you find yourself in an emergency out there in them woods, you can use it as a fire starter too. But wait, there's more. If you act right now, we'll give you absolutely free this carrying strap. Just hook it up to the landing pad and it follows you right off the field. Doesn't take up much space in the bag because it won't fit in the bag. Like I said, 100% organic. Hell, I think it's even vegan organic. Except that dog leash. I mean that carrying strap. But wait, there's more. A limited edition. That's right, for just $10 more we have a limited edition. The Andy Warhol collection. You need to hurry for that special. Again, just $19.95 plus shipping. Hurry while supplies last. Or really, really hurry for that Andy one.
Brought to you by Drone It Over There, Not In My Backyard Whiners Incorporated, the National Association of Grounded Flyers Associated, the people that say, huh? Please disregard all previous statements, comments, and non-humorous material and the like. Speaking of likes, please like, subscribe, and thank you. Oh yeah, ring that bell. That it? We're done? You sure? You guys using metric time? That was awful quick.